Maintaining your keyboard is straightforward. Always start by unplugging the keyboard from your device to ensure safety. First, use the key puller tool by gripping the keycap and pulling it upward to remove it from the keyboard. Once the keycap is removed, flip the tool and use the switch puller to carefully remove the switch by gripping it and pulling gently. Now, take one of the provided extra switches, align it with the slot, and firmly press it into place. Finally, place the keycap back over the new switch and push down until it clicks securely.